Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss another important interview question, that what is peer? This is basically a question that usually asked by interviewer to introduce peer and what peer is basically. So if you are a PHP developer, if you are working with PHP, you are very commonly aware about this term. Peer basically stands for PHP extension in application repository. You all must be aware of the term repository. That is basically a kind of database where we collectively store something. So in peer, what we store the components, the reusable components of PHP in terms of PHP classes, compiled classes, and then we store it in a particular repository, and that repository is called peer because we are reusing it. Okay, so it will be easier for a PHP developer to create a code once and then reuse it in its different applications, right? So it is something like plugins, you can say. Okay, so if we have a plugin, then we can use that plugin in our application. After developing or creating that plugins one, we can use it in multiple applications. In the same way, in using peer, what we can do, we can create different components in PHP, and then we can use them in different applications in terms of packages and so on. But if we talk about current scenario, then peer is considered deprecated. That means using packages, using libraries of peer is no more supported fully by PHP applications. So beyond that, we are having some other components, we are having some other advanced technologies that we will discuss in further questions, right? So this is enough for this question. In the next question, in the next video, we are going to discuss, is PHP supports multiple inheritance? So be ready for that. Till then, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.